Hey guys, when we talk about Android manufacturers, few are as old as HTC. If you are good with smartphone history, it was the Taiwanese company which became one of the first to launch an Android device, much to the consternation of Steve Jobs and Apple. However, as the world works, resources are king. Ingenuity and innovation are only as good as the funds behind them. Therefore, HTC is unable to keep up with today's smartphone giants, namely Apple and Samsung. However, the company isn't giving up as leaks for the HTC U12 Plus suggest. Today we've got a render and specification leak for the HTC U12 Plus, which gives us a good idea of what to expect from the company this year. Twitter leakster and Blast is back today with a major leak for the HTC U12 Plus. It's got a lot of details which cover the device design, processor, camera, storage, battery, and even network details. The HTC U12 Plus measures in at 156.6 by 73.9 by 8.7mm. The device is manufactured with what the company refers to as a liquid surface. It carries pressure-sensitive touch buttons and a fingerprint sensor at its back. At the front, we also got a dual camera setup. The device is IP68 certified and weighs in at a hefty 188 grams. The smartphone will be available in 3 different colors and carry the majority of its button on the right side when viewed from the front. As expected, the HTC U12 Plus will run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845. The device will feature only 6GB of RAM, as HTC will not follow either OnePlus or Xiaomi in occupying its smartphone with 8GB. The smartphone will come in 2 storage variants of 64 and 120GB with a microSD card slot as well. Fans of HTC's boom sound speaker will not be disappointed either, as the HTC U12 Plus will feature boom sound Hi-Fi edition speakers along with HTC Sonic and Qualcomm's aptX LDEC design to work specially with Bluetooth headsets. The HTC U12 Plus will also feature a 3500 mAh battery. Up to 23.8 hours of talk time suggests today's leak. Since the HTC U12 Plus major selling point are definitely its camera specifications, we'll analyze details for the front and rear camera sensors separately. The device will feature a dual rear camera setup. One of the sensors will have a 12-pixel resolution with f1.75 aperture width and 1.4 micrometer pixel size. The second will carry a 16-pixel resolution and a 1.0 micrometer pixel size and f2.6 aperture width. This smartphone will also support up to 10 times digital and 2 times optical zoom. For serious users, the HTC U12 Plus will feature a Pro mode that allows RAW support, 32-second exposure and manual controls, optical image stabilization, and a bokeh mode along with dual LED flash will also be present on the smartphone. The HTC U12 Plus rear camera will also be able to record 4K videos at 60 frames per second and 1080p slow-mo videos at 240 frames per second. Video recording on the smartphone will also support OIS. One feature for the HTC U12 Plus that made it to the rumor mill that we are really excited about is a dual front camera. This is a rare occurrence in the flagship market, as no mainstream high-end device right now carries such a feature. The HTC U12 Plus will carry an 8+8 megapixel dual front-facing camera with 1.12 micrometer pixel size and f1.75 aperture width. The smartphone's front camera will also support face unlock, bokeh mode, panorama, and full HD 1080p video recording alongside AR stickers. So yeah, now let me know what you guys think about the HTC U12 Plus, and let me know in the comments down. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to subscribe and please hit the like button. And yeah, see you soon.